Hello guys, I welcome you all to tonight's video. It's another beautiful opportunity for us to be together again. It is the time for the $500 trading tips for trading boom and crash, where we usually analyze the market together, check out the market direction, and of course I always use it as an opportunity to give us trading tips on what to go for whenever we are trading. And we will be having another edition of it tonight. And of course, before we go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. This is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some cool cash for yourself online, most especially within the forex niche. All you need to do is just to take some time to browse through the channel, watch my training videos, practice and perfect your trading skill first on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me a thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, can you do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this? So quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here. Like I said earlier on, we will be checking out we will be analyzing these markets, okay, and everything we'll be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I'll be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you are not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the chart before you can follow up with the trading activities, okay. As for the $500 profit per day, it all depends on your trading capital. The more your trading capital, the easier it is for you to achieve, but you can always grow your small trading capital into something reasonable, okay. So many people have done this, you too can also do the same thing. So now let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with boom 1000. Okay guys, this is boom 1000, and of course I'm on 5-minute time frame, okay. 5-minute time frame, okay. This had been selling before but got to the support zone. It was unable to break out below it, so it has been on buy trend since then, okay. So this is buying more at the moment, so it's going to be more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. So the next asset is going to be boom 500. Let's check it out right away. Okay guys, this is boom 500, just where we have seen it. It went on downtrend right from here but got to this support zone, was unable to break out below it, so it went back, and of course it will be it's selling at the moment, okay. It may likely sell till it gets to this region, to this support, and of course before it can have a pullback right from there. But if it breaks out below this support zone, then definitely it will want to get to this region. If it breaks out below here, then we should be looking at somewhere here. So all these are very, very important, but for now it is more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. So the next asset is going to be crash 1000. Let's check it out right here. This is crash 1000, and this had been on uptrend for a very long time, but sold till it got to this support zone, and right now it is buying. Just broke out from this resistance zone, and of course it will be trying out this resistance zone again, this particular one. If it does not break out from there, then it will start selling right from there. For now it is still buying at the moment until it is unable to break out above the resistance zone. That is when it will go back on sell trend. So the next asset is going to be crash 500. Let's check it out right away. Okay guys, this is crash 500, and of course it was on uptrend before, but right here it's ranged around there for a very long time, and it is selling more at the moment, okay. So this is going to be more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. So the final assets which we'll be checking out is going to be volatility sound 5. Let's check it out right away. Okay guys, this is volatility sound 5, just where we have seen it. This had been on downtrend right from here, and of course it is selling more at the moment, okay. It is selling more at the moment, so this is selling right now, and of course even though it has gotten to this support zone, might want to pull back a bit before trying it out again. Once it breaks out below this support zone, then it's going to sell more. So this should be giving us more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. So guys, these are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you need to do is just to make sure you understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you that are yet to perfect a trading skill, kindly go back to the channel, watch my training videos, practice and perfect your trading skill first on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me a thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, can you do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this? Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless.